Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089549, or if you're unable to install this update on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause, and once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on start or restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, again make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, again make a right click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows. If you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install the update. Still not working, you can run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run Windows PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands one by one, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the second command. If you receive any error, just ignore it. You might not receive the error. And once this is done, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can update your Windows 11 once again. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. And then copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. And once the first scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089549 or this update. Whichever update you are unable to install, you can write down the name of the update over here. Click on search, check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. In my case the version is 25S2, so check your Windows version and then check your system type. So go to system, scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25S2x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5089549, click on your update. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file. You can install this update manually and then you can restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option. Scroll down, click on recovery option over here. And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down and then over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. We can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. And after the installation, you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.